We are right in the middle of preparing for our next fundraising round, and we did receive a lot of support from 11 on that front, starting with defining a bit our objectives, the metrics that we needed to hit, which metrics first of all were relevant for us to focus on and keep pushing on, and giving us this market perspective, giving us those insights that allowed us to perfect our fundraising strategy, our messaging, and also the process that we needed to follow.
Pluria has the potential to move from a co-working spaces aggregator to an in-person collaboration platform, to the radical new office for modern companies. As a result of that, we try to focus in the key areas of the business, such as improving the unit economics, identifying key performance indicators, and also narrowing down the strategic directions and customers the company needs to focus in. As a result of that, the fact that we have a broad future of work thesis allows us to aggregate mentors, founders, investors that have synergies between each other, and provided that access to the company in order for them to move from that initial vision to what they have today. And as a result of that, the company has grown quite well in terms of its business performance, but also in terms of its positioning and branding on the market it operates in.
We need, going forward, to combine the same two components that defined our collaboration up until this point, which is giving us, always supporting us in helping clarify the bigger picture, crystallizing better our objectives and our road ahead, and in the same time providing, tangible support, diving down specifically to some minor topics that we need to be fixed. So always keeping in balance this strategic high-level support with hands-down help into the tactics of what we're doing.
For us, 11 was the only fund with whom we spoke, and in the seed stage was very clearly able to articulate the fact that we have an issue with the cap table. Not only that they pointed towards this red flag that we had, but also helped us solve this issue, and that for us was an extremely trustful step within our relationship that we established going forward. Like any other startup within our business, there are a lot of things that we discovered along the way. And one of those was the fact that we need to introduce an element that would bring even more value to the companies, namely to add a layer of analytics to all the insights that we are gathering from the usage of the platform. And that enabled us to have a SaaS approach. And 11 was there for us to just reinforce the message that the approach that we are taking is the right one, and to give us basically the endorsement that going in this direction is going to be a healthy step for us.